Little River's first pigeons. Here. Up. There you go. Girl, all right. Oh, boy. You like pigeons, don't you? Yeah, you like pigeons, don't you? Hmm? All right. That's a good sign. Here you go, baby. Oh, boy. All right. Bring it here. Oh, that a girl. Not bad for 10 weeks old. Not bad. That a girl. All right. Well, you really like birds. I wasn't quite expecting this, but we'll take it. Odie and Splash, kid. That a girl. All right. All right. Oh, how's the flush going to be there? Oh, yeah, you like that. There you go. That a girl. Yeah, it's about as big as you are, isn't it? Come on. Were you thinking about going by me that time, were you? Hmm? All right, one more. I'm going to really throw it. Here. Throw it as hard as I can. Ready? Oh. Yeah, that's about a 70-yard pass. Just kidding. Maybe 25. There you go. There you go. All right. That's a good girl. Boy. I'm going to give you one more. One more, and then we'll quit. Well, I threw it out in the tall stuff. You got to go out and find it now. Let's see if you can find it. Come on. That a girl. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Yeah. Here you go. All right, I lied. One more. You're really into these birds, aren't you? Ooh, right out of the tall stuff. Okay, we'll quit. Come on. I better quit while I'm ahead. That a girl. That a girl. Very nice. Very nice and cute besides. Yeah. Good girl. All right, let's go.